Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to grant view-only access to your American Express account. Sign in to your American Express account. Go to Account Services, Manage Other Users, Add or Remove Account Managers, Add Account Manager, complete the verification process, which includes the 3-digit code on the back of your card and the security question that you chose when you originally set up the account. In this case, it's going to be mother's maiden name. A one-time password is emailed or texted to you. Just enter that information. Complete this form with your bookkeeper's information. Select Limited Access and uncheck Travel Access. Press Continue. Check the authorization box, continue, and you're done. Your bookkeeper will receive an email with instructions on completing their view-only access account. Thank you for watching. Please like and leave a comment so others know this video was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for other helpful videos.